Okay guys, in just 5 months, this brand new channel gained over 129,000 subscribers and managed to earn up to $52,000 a month. If we take a look, more than 20 of their videos have crossed 100,000 views in the last 2 months, and one of their recent uploads, posted just 20 hours ago, is already sitting at over 50,000 views. But here's the part that blew my mind. This is not luck. There's a system behind it, a repeatable, strategic process that blends storytelling, emotion, and AI tools in a way most creators never even discover. And in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how they're doing it. From finding the right viral topics, to writing human-like AI-assisted scripts, to generating these exact visuals and editing videos that actually keep people watching till the end. And look, I'm not just guessing here. I've personally built 5+ YouTube channels across different niches. And trust me, I've seen both sides of the YouTube coin, what really works and what completely crashes and burns. So grab your coffee, take a deep breath, and stick around till the end. And hey, this video took me a whole week of research, testing, and editing just to make sure it's actually valuable to you. So if you appreciate that kind of effort, just drop a like and hit subscribe. All right, let's get started. First, we're going to analyze this niche and take inspiration from this reference channel to understand how it actually works, what kind of topics perform well, and why. So here's what I'll do. Open the channel and study all the videos, the oldest, the newest, and the most popular ones. If we take a closer look, the earliest uploads barely got any traction. Then, out of nowhere, this video exploded with thousands of views. After that, every new upload started performing better. Now the question is, why did this channel suddenly blow up? What changed in their content that led to such consistent growth? Let's take a closer look. The first viral video was about women. The creator noticed that spike and doubled down. Most of their next videos revolved around women too. And just like that, every one of them started getting solid views, engagement, and comments. It's clear this kind of topic had a strong demand and resonated deeply with the audience. But here's the key. You can't just copy that direction blindly. You need to figure out what your audience connects with. For some creators, women-related topics might work. For others, it could be about men, power dynamics, or personal growth. Who knows? Just keep adapting and understanding what your viewers respond to and aligning that with what the algorithm wants. Looking at this channel's most popular videos, most are centered around women, and they consistently rack up massive views and engagement. So it's safe to say the audience clearly loves these topics. For this demo, I'll stick to proven ideas, then you gradually experiment with new angles once you have traction. So, to find similar high-performing topics, just copy the channel's information and paste it into ChatGPT. Then type, "Analyze this channel." ChatGPT will break down everything for you: the views, niche, strategy, and topic patterns, giving you a full roadmap to reverse engineer their success. After that, we'll make ChatGPT generate topics for us. But here's the thing, you can't just open it and say, "Give me topics." That's not how you get powerful results. You need to use a proper, structured prompt. And luckily, Saidox already prepared one for you. The link to that prompt document is in the description below. Just copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and it will instantly generate a list of well-researched topics, each with a short, clear brief explaining what it's about. All right, now comes the most important step, the script. Because in this niche, people don't just watch your videos, they feel them. They see their own emotions, their struggles, and their stories reflected in your words. That's why robotic, generic scripts never work. You need writing that feels human, realistic, emotional, sometimes even funny. Something that makes the viewer nod and think, "Shit, that's literally me." So, the best way to learn script writing is simple. Watch tons of videos in your niche, and you'll start noticing patterns. But of course, I know you're lazy and don't have time to do all this. So, to speed things up, I'll use ChatGPT. Here's what to do. Take the transcripts of 2 or 3 popular videos from your reference channel. Feed them into ChatGPT and ask it to analyze the tone, pacing, flow, structure, intro, and outro. This is a crucial step because ChatGPT needs to fully understand the style before writing anything for you. So, now I'll go back and choose this title, Why Women Love Drama, and how they use it to feel connected. Then I'll open the script writing prompt I've shared in the Google Doc and paste the title right here. And as you can see, I specifically asked ChatGPT to break the script into chapters. Then generate each one separately, chapter 1, then chapter 2, and so on. Why? Because we need a long, high-quality script that feels natural. When you generate the entire thing at once, ChatGPT tends to make it short and repetitive. This method makes the script flow better, sound more human, and stay emotionally engaging. And as I always say, don't just rely on AI. Do your own research and add your own thoughts or examples. So just ask it to give you chapter 1 and keep the same process for the rest. All right, once the script is done, the next step is video creation. For that, we need visuals and editing materials. If you look closely at the videos from this channel, they use a distinct stick figure animation style. Honestly, I don't even know the exact name of this style, but we don't need to overthink it. Here's what to do. Take screenshots from their videos and upload them to ChatGPT. Then type, "Analyze the theme of these images." ChatGPT will tell you. And if you don't want to spend months figuring all this out on your own, my Faceless Vault community is honestly the fastest way to start. It's basically the shortcut. You get a full YouTube A to Z guide that walks you step by step through how to grow your channel and start making money from day one. Plus, I'm giving you all my best creator assets, hundreds of proven viral niches with real competitor channels you can study, direct access to me inside our private chat where I personally answer your questions, dozens of prompt templates you can use for literally any niche. It's the same system I've used to grow multiple channels to tens of thousands of subscribers. So yeah, if you're serious about building a faceless YouTube channel, check out the link in the description. Now, to generate these exact images, I tried a bunch of tools, but the one that gave me perfect results every time is called Pippit. And the best part, it's 100% free. We're gonna use it for image upscaling and editing also, so you can start literally for free. Here's what to do. After you click the link in the description, sign up with your Google account. After that, go to Image Studio and click on AI Design. Then, paste the first prompt you generated from ChatGPT. If you want to get the best result, click Image Reference and upload one of the screenshots you took earlier. After that, change the aspect ratio to 16:9 and hit Generate. And boom, look at these images, exactly the style we wanted. Now just copy your next prompt, paste it, and repeat. Each image comes out looking clean and consistent. After you've got all the images you need, download them all. And in case you want to upscale the images, just head over to the Upscale Image tool. Anyway, now let's bring these images to life with animation. If you've got some budget to work with, premium tools like Kling, Hailuo, and Leonardo will give you the best results. But if you're broke, I've got you covered with an incredible free option. You can use Grok AI. This tool lets you animate your images, and it's completely free with unlimited generations. Let me show you how it works. From the dashboard, click on the Imagine option on the left side, then simply upload your image. Within seconds, you'll see your image come to life with smooth animation. Let's try the second image. There we go, looking good. You can keep generating videos one by one like this and download each one as you go. Okay guys, the final piece we need is the voiceover. And here's something crucial, never use robotic voices. If you're using AI voices, always go for the most natural sounding options available. For this, I recommend tools like ElevenLabs or DupDub. All right, now let's create the voiceover. Go ahead and open ElevenLabs. Sign in with your account, and from here, you can either design your own voice or choose one from the voice library. If you really want to stand out from the crowd, I recommend designing your own voice. Trust me, it gives your videos a unique, recognizable tone. Now, to get that perfect voice, you'll need a solid prompt. And of course, Saidox got you covered. You'll find the exact prompt inside the Google Doc. Just copy and paste it into ElevenLabs. Once you're happy with how the voice sounds, fill in this simple information. All right, now paste your script right here and click Generate. Once you're satisfied with the voiceover, download it to your computer. And that's it. Now we've got everything we need to build the final video. Now let's move to editing. You can use any editing software that you're comfortable with. Personally, I'll be using the CapCut desktop app, but if you don't have a budget and want to start for free, Pippit also has a built-in video editor. Anyway, here's what to do next. Upload all your materials, the animated clips and voiceover. Drag the voiceover track into your timeline. Then, arrange your videos one by one according to your script. If any video feels too short or long, just speed it up or slow it down so it syncs smoothly with the narration. Next, let's add an effect. Go to Effects, scroll down, and then click on Retro. Choose this effect called Noise 2 for the entire video. Then, we need a transition. As you can see, there are a bunch of transitions, but most of them look a bit weird. Don't go with any flashy one. Go with something simple like this black fade or mix. Now, we need to add captions, so just click on Captions, then choose Auto Caption. By default, the style looks kinda ugly, but don't worry, we can fix that. Click on Templates on the right, and you'll see a bunch of cool pre-made animations. Pick one that fits your style and apply it. Finally, there's one last thing to do, and this is what really brings your video to life: background music and sound effects. Now, this part can actually be tricky because most people have no idea where to find good ones. Sure, you can dig through the YouTube audio library, but honestly, it takes hours, and most tracks just don't hit right. That's exactly why I did the hard work for you. I bundled hundreds of the most viral and cinematic sound effects and background tracks for any niche. And since a lot of people have been asking for them, I decided to make it super affordable. It's just $1 for the first 500 people until the end of 2025. So yeah, grab it while it's still up, links in the description. All right, so now just pick a suitable track from these, upload it, and lower the volume a bit. And that's pretty much it, guys. Your video is done. Click export, download it to your computer, and you're ready to go. Now, before we check how it turned out, if you found this helpful, like the video, and tell me in the comments what topic you want next. I'll pick one of your comments and make the next video about it.
Picture this. You finally get a quiet evening. No arguments, no tension. She's on her phone, you're watching a show, you're thinking, nice. This is what peace feels like. And then out of nowhere, she looks up and asks, do you even care about me anymore? You freeze. Like, what? Everything was fine a second ago. What just happened? Guys think calm is connection, but for a lot of women, connection isn't about the quiet, it's about emotional engagement.